Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, I hope you all are fine. This is part 2 of learning 5 words.
यस अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस. सो मोहम्मद, आज आप कौन कौन से वर्ड्स के बारे में हमें डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
Above, accent, accept, access, accident.
ओके, सो नाउ द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज
Above.
मोहम्मद, व्हाट इज अबव?
It's an adverb.
ओके
So let's write it.
ओके,
Okay. So
आज तुम रिटर्न में बताओगे सब?
yes.
ओके, दैट्स गुड.
Adverb.
हाँ.
Written. Position.
Oh, it's also preposition.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw it in the dictionary. Okay.
So, what is the meaning of above, Muhammad?
It means
Uh.
that something is higher than it.
Okay. Something higher than. Okay.
So we should say higher than. That's what
Higher than something. Okay, now I can understand. Above the words of high, like heaven in the sky. Yes. Muhammad, what is the next word?
Accent.
Okay, what is accent?
A noun.
Okay, a noun. Muhammad, what is the meaning of accent?
The way you speak.
Okay. The way you speak. Which
shows where you come from.
Okay. Muhammad, what is your next word?
It's accept.
And what is accept?
A verb.
Okay.
So I'm going to write it.
Muhammad, what is the meaning of accept?
It means that you take something after someone has offered you.
Take or accept?
Take or accept. Don't. If you accept something when someone has offered you.
Yes.
If you accept it.
Okay, something.
If you accept when someone has offered you.
When someone has offered. Okay.
Yeah,
You forgot me? Yes, offered, yes. Good job.
If you accept.
Muhammad, what is your next word?
Access.
What is access?
It's a verb. It's a verb.
Okay. Muhammad, what is the meaning of computer access?
When you find information on a computer.
It's called access.
Yes.
Okay.
So write it.
Okay.
Wow, I did it so easy. With H, E, N. When you find it, information on the computer. Now the calculation of the speech.
So, the Muhammad, what is your last word?
Accident.
And what is accident?
A noun.
Okay. So, what is the meaning of accident?
The meaning of accident is something happens bad
Okay.
and someone gets hurt.
Oh my God.
Yes, I always had accidents.
Allah na kare.
I used to have one like falling on the stairs.
Okay. Something happens bad. And someone gets hurt. Okay. This time I covered this land. Yay, great job, Muhammad. Someone gets
hurt.
Okay.
Okay, guys, all 5 words are completed. So all words are complete.
मोहम्मद ने बहुत अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब भी किया, आपको ये भी बताया वर्ड कौन से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है और उसके मीनिंग्स भी बताया आपको.
Yes.
तो आई होप गाइस आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी.
तो लाइक करना,
नहीं भूलिएगा। हाँ,
भूलना
और
चाहिए।
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो शेयर कीजिएगा।
हाँ,
तब तक
के लिए ख्याल रखना।
अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।
टेक केयर।
अल्लाह
अल्लाह
हाफिज।
हाफिज।